There's no air in it. They don't have flats. They run well. We're not replacing tires. We're getting greater longevity out of the tires.
Well, with our commercial customers, the most important thing to them is uptime. With the addition of Tweel, we understand that that is literally a tire that can never go flat. That is another huge form of downtime that a customer would have, is with their tires going flat, losing air, getting a hole punched in them.
Again, in Southwest Florida, when you have summer, it rains every afternoon. So if you have a crew that has a flat tire, they're hot, they don't want to get out, they don't want to go, they'll procrastinate. The Tweel has stopped that. It has increased productivity.
We started using Tweels 3 years ago, I want to say. First bunch that came out and gave them a shot. You know, we really like them. I think the big thing is they don't go flat. You don't have to check the air pressure every day to make sure you're running, you know, getting an even cut. And there's not a lot of downtime.
The Tweel's been great. The customers have been real receptive. A customer loves anything that saves them time and money, and the Tweels are great. They'd have flat tires before, and they'd have lots of problems at downtime, and they couldn't finish their job throughout the day through having flats and other issues. This has helped them keep going to finish their job.
Whoever doesn't have it wants it, and whoever has it loves it. Being in the service department, I've seen some really bad wheels come in, our tires come in, that it's really kind of hard to even tell their tires anymore. And it'll go over anything, go through anything. It's kind of a no-brainer.
The Tweel is an exceptionary product. It eliminates any, flat tire situations that we have. And I am really encouraged that they'll be coming out with a Tweel for the quick track, and we will switch the Tweels on all of our mowers just to, once again, reduce downtime.
They're not inexpensive, but overall we found them to be extremely productive, and looking at them as a long-term investment, we feel that they'll wind up costing us a whole lot less than a regular tire.
We don't have that flat tire problem. It's durable. There's no terrain that we found that you couldn't use it on. So it's an all-around product, and for us it's one more piece to the puzzle to be able to be efficient and reduce downtime, and once again reduces our labor costs.